if ungayibuzela nje ngithi ngicela ningidefinele the term chemical equilibrium singathini? Very good. It is a dynamic what? Okay, at which the rate of what? Of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of what? Of the reverse reaction. Answer is one. All right. Okay, so sonke ke si aware ukuthi what is chemical what? Chemical equilibrium. Ne, chemical equilibrium manje sonke si aware ukuthi yenzeka only in a what? In a closed system. Answer is one. Okay, we have got different types of what? I mean, of system, right? We have got an open system and a what? And a closed system. All right. So in an open system, there is no what? Chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium only occurs in a what? In a closed system. Answer is one. Okay. So if we go to chemical equilibrium yenzeka in a closed system, meaning sizobe sisithola leli term esilibiza ngani lapho nge-reversible what? Reaction. Kwi-chemical equilibrium kwenzeka lento esibiza ngani nge-reversible what? Reaction. Uyabona? Sithi sakhiphe ama-product aphinde converteke back ebe yini? Ama-reactants. Ayisezwana? Meaning ama-reactants wethu awabi what? Awabi used up. Ayisezwana? Reach only the state esibiza ngani nge-chemical equilibrium. Ethi sebe lapha kwi-chemical equilibrium bese enza njani? Converteka back to what? To the reactants. Ayisezwana? Alright, kanjani asibukele indaba yani open system ne-closed system. Bese sibuka ukuthi why sithi ke kwi-closed system kukhona nalento esibiza ngani nge-reversible reaction. Why ngabikho kuphi kwi-open system? Asenze an example. Let's say I've got my pots, right? Ninani nginebhodo lami bese ngiba nani la ngaphakathi namanzi. Kuyezwakala? Alright, amanzi ayini? Awu H2O as what? As a liquid. Angini? Phela ngithi siyawazi ukuthi amanzi ayi liquid. Amanzi ngakwazi ukuba i-gas. Why not no? Yes, angakwazi ukuba i-gas. Asuke seyini lapho? Water vapor. Anginjalo? Kunjalo. Ayisezwana. Okay, meaning we have got our what? Our reactants. Anginjalo? Sinawo ama-reactants. Silindele ukuformisha yini la? I-product eyini? Uma esebila lamanzi azoproducer ini? A gas okuyini kuyi-water vapor. Meaning sizoproducer ini lana u-H2O oyini? Very good. Oyi-gas. This is our product. Ayisezwana? Okay. Let's say we are in an open system. Kunento esifuna ukuyi-check-a ke la. Okay. Bese siphutha ini silayida ini i-stove sethu bese kuba nani ne-heat. Alright. Siyaslide i-stove sethu. Uma sislayida kuzoqala kwenzakala ini i-reaction kuphi la ngaphakathi kuma-particles of what? Amanzi ayisezwana. Bese ngiyaqala slowly ngibona ini the product. Kushuthi ngibona ini lapho the water vapor. Sikuyaqala kuvela ini i-steam siyabona siyaqala ya-react into yami. Ayisezwana. Alright, uthi emva kwesikhathi esenza njani? Asiyaphuma nje freely ini i-water vapor iyakuphi njengamanje? To the surrounding. Iphuma i-escape from where? From ibhodo iyakuphi? To the surrounding. Iyo interacta nani? Ne-surrounding. Kanjalo? Kunjalo. Ayisezwana. Kothi after isikhathi uma ubuye uzothola mhlawumbe amanzi asekuphi? Asela phansi. Uphinde uhamba ubuye uthola amanzi awasenjani? Awasekho. Kudalwa yini lokho? It's because sikwenza le reaction siyenza in a what? In an open system. Ayisezwana. But if we now decide to what? To put a lid. Ayisezwana. Sesinani manje sesinesivalo. Anginjalo? Alright, siqale phansi i-reaction yethu. There is no vapor now. Ngithi mangifaka i-heat ngivula i-stove sami, siyaqala i-reaction iyashesha ngini. Sengiyaqala ngiyibona ini i-vapor ya-appearisha. Ebese ya-escape yini? No, escape izokwenza njani? Buka. Bekuyi-water as a liquid, kwaformisha ini? Uyabona ukuthi kuyiformishile ini? I-gas. Nakuqala kwenze njani? Kuyiformishile but kugcine ngokuformisha ini? I-gas. Ukwayibona ibuyela back to liquid? No. I-gas iphumile escape yazenza njani? Yaphela ama-products ngiwaformishe kuphela. there was no what reversible what reaction. But in this case, uma lamanzi ami le vapor lena ihlala kuphi phezulu la kuyilida ngithi uyabona sekuba yini lapho uyabona sekunamanzi akuphi ala phezulu enamanzi la uzowabona futhi esetonsa back kuphi kwi-liquid angisezwani. Okay, so njengamanje this gas is converted back to what now? To liquid. Angisezwani. It's because it's in a what? A closed system. Kwi-closed system siphinde sithole lento esibiza ngani nge-reversible what? Reaction. This is the sign for what? A reversible what? Reaction. If bekubuza bethi kumele ukuthini le sign, washo ukuthi kumele a reversible what? Reaction. Chaza yini reversible reaction? It is a reaction whereby the products can be converted back to what? To reactants. Yazwakala? Alright. So it mayenzakala ke lento lena. Yabona ngale nkathi amanzi ebila. Yabona amanzi senza njani? Aseyabila. Oh, uma siyenza iketela sorry masiyenza example ngani ngeketela insezwani. Okay, masiyenza ini i-example ngeketela. Uyayibona ukuthi amanzi aqala njani ebanda bese uyalayita bese senza njani ayaqala ayashisa uhambe kubili kuze kufike kule state la iketela lenzo njani loyivala khona ilapha khona the rate of the what of the forward reaction isuke silingana ne rate of what of the reverse what reaction ayisezwani isuke sigcinile reaction akukho la isingadluliye khona bese iketela lenza njani liyacisha ayisezwani amanzi asenjani asebilile khona ke lento enokuhamba ke bese disturba in manje sitheni lapho suke the forward reaction lingana nani ne reverse reaction a collective name for that it's a chemical what equilibrium meaning suke sekuriche ini chemical what equilibrium anisezwani. Alright, so makuricha chemical equilibrium kunala ama chemical equilibrium disturbers amangaki lana amathathu sinani we have got chemical equilibrium what disturbers imaphi lawo they affect us that affects the chemical what equilibrium anisezwani. Okay, inhloso yethu sekuyini la ma-sensory reaction kwe-chemical equilibrium ukuthi siriche ini the chemical equilibrium anisezwani bese mase sikwi-chemical equilibrium khona laba abanokwenza njani abanokudisturba the what the equilibrium states which are those concentration anisezwani pressure and what and temperature anisezwani. Okay, ngithe yini i-concentration i-pressure nani ne-temperature. How do they affect the chemical equilibrium? Buka lana ke sokwenza example ngoyi-1 njengamanje sokukhetha ukuqala sikhulume ngani nge-concentration ngamaboma anisezwani. Okay, so i-concentration i-affecta kanjena i-chemical equilibrium. Senze example ngamanzi ethu angini uyabona ukuthi we've got reactants, we've got what the product angini. Okay, ngiyenza njani uma sebila amanzi uyabona sasiyabila kakhulu bese ngithi let me disturb this thing uyabona angithi sithe lapho ke suke si reach the chemical equilibrium bese ngithi mina let me disturb this thing ngayidisturb kanjani ukuthi ngivele ngiqhamuke nani nanaye reactant yami eqhamukele eceleni ngifike ngithi buwa amanzi eyizo lonto leyo mangi-add u-S2O as a liquid now uyabona ukuthi isiqala phansi ini manje i-reaction yazwakala but inhloso ukuthi ngibe kwi-chemical equilibrium sengidisturbile kodwa mina ini i-chemical equilibrium njengamanje mangithela amanzi emanzini abilayo uyabona kuqala phansi kovele kubopha ukuthi kuye phansi bese kuqala phansi futhi kube ngathi sekuqala ini i-reaction uyabona isizoqala kabusha siyokhanda a new what now a new equilibrium angisezwani by what izokwenza njani by what izoyireacha kanjani new equilibrium vele kwayiphopha ukuthi akwenze njani manje ayibile kabusha iphinde ikhiphe ini manje these gases kabusha anisezwani izifike kule state sokuthi sibila kakhulu futhi izofavorisha liphi side nanti leli kuyezwakala. Okay, angithi le njengamanje yenza njani kumele il-oppose angini ngi-add more of what mean more of H2O as a what now as a liquid so this thing must oppose in i-disturbance futhi izoshift here kuphi to the right anisezwani. Alright, but ke akuyona example engizokwenza ngayo i-example le but sengiyenzile ini i-example nansi engiyifunayo. Okay, let's say ngiyenza example ngani ne-concentration now sizobuka ukuthi how does the concentration affect the chemical equilibrium. Okay, it's by adding, but it's by adding or removing one of what of the reactants or products. Okay, nginga-add oyedwa phakathi kwama-reactants oyedwa akwazi uba-add abo-2 ngesikhathi sodwa. Okay, noma mangingam-add ngimenza njani? Ngiyam-remove, hhayi kuma-reactants kuphela. Nakuma-products ngenza njani? Nginga-add noma ngenze njani? Ngi-remove. Lapho-ke ngisuke ngenze njani i-chemical equilibrium? Ngisuke ngi-disturbile. That is how concentration disturb what? The chemical equilibrium. Okay, so if I'm adding something, any substance, I'm increasing what? Its concentration. Yes or not? Alright. And say how does we disturb the chemical equilibrium of concentration? It's by adding one of what? Of the reactants or one of what? Of the products. And vice versa. So I'm remove a food. Yes or not? Alright. Bese kwenzakalani? Senginqena ukubhala la kodwa ngoba ngikushilo ngomlomo ngicathi vele uyabona sepage lot. Okay, khona ukuthi ngicaciseleke. Okay, so sisepage lot. Okay, ithi indaba ebese mase ngiyi-edile lento bese kwenziwani ke? Ubani lona bese elungisa zonke lezi zinkinga? Khona lo mjida lo kuthi ubani uLichard Elias. Anisezwani? Okay, one principle ethini? uLichard Elias what? Principle. Anisezwani? Sonke siyakwazi ukumstate.
Yes.
Okay, asimstate. Okay, when a what phindeni niqale phansi. Ukuthi chemical equilibrium injani i-disturb in a what? Uzwe ukuthi babe specific. In a what? In a closed system. The chemical equilibrium only occurs in a what? In a closed system. Anisezwani? Kuzokwenzakalani? I-system izo-reinstate a what? A new equilibrium by favoring what? The reaction that will oppose what? The disturbance. Anisezwani? I-disturbance eyenziwe yini? One of the factors that affect what? The chemical equilibrium. Anisezwani? Okay, so these factors are the chemical equilibrium what? Disturbers. Bese kuthi umlungiswani we-disturbance ubani? uLichard Elias what? Principle nge-principle yakhe. Ngezwakala. Bese kuthi kwi-concentration kunendlela yakhona ukuthi kulungiseke. Kwi-what? Kwi-pressure kunendlela yakhona ukuthi kwenze njani? Kulungiseke. Kanjalo nakwi-temperature kunendlela yakhona ukuthi kwenze njani? Kulungiseke. Ngezwakala. Alright. Let me make an example nge-equation yami ethi H2 plus N2 in a reversible what? Reaction, because sikhuluma ngani? Chemical equilibrium. Alright. Uproduce ubani? NH3. Ammonia lo. Ngezwakala. Okay, hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas ba produce ubani? Ammonia. Ngezwakala. Alright. Asambeni ke sibalance into yethu. Angithi sino H abangaki la? Sorry, sino N abangaki la? Ngale bangaki? Okay. Sino H abangaki la? Kalana? Ukuze bebe ba 6 message njani? Something with 3. Okay, isi balance kangithi. Okay, nomsuka ayibuka kabusha. Okay. So angise sike sayixoxa ngani? Ngokwe example yethu sase sibuka i-concentration kancane ukuthi ingadisturb kanjani angeni. Okay, ingadisturb kanjani sorry i-chemical equilibrium. Asike sithi ke ngamabomu amakhulu njengamanje. Sithi lento ibi at what i-chemical what equilibrium. Anisezwani iku-chemical what equilibrium. Bese i-system disturb yangu senze njani? Sivele mhlawumbe sithi sivele sa-add ubani? Zisholo wena. Angifuni uzisholo wena si-add abani? ubani u-S2. Okay, si-add ubani u-S2. Anisezwani? Okay. Njengamanje sinjani njengamanje ilo i-chemical equilibrium isi-disturbed. Angeke sengikwazi ukuthi ngihambe ngiyowenza njani, ngiyo-add noma ngenze njani, ngi-remove. Into yami ihleleli kamnandi. Uyayibona lento leyo? Alright. So njengamanje izolungiseka kanjani lento le? Ngithe ngolithathile yazi bani? Principle. Kodwa ke ngokwe-concentration senza njani? Okay. Ngizoyishaya lento in points form. Mawubuzwa before say in points form kuzokwenzeka nje na. Ngifuna ujwayele lento esibiza ngani nge-seesaw method. Do you have a ruler? Okay, please borrow me one. Okay. Le indlela yokuthi uyibambe fast, but ikhona enye umuntu uzoyikhethela. Anisezwani? Okay. So buka, angithi na udlala lento kubathi uginqa igonga. Sonke sayidlala ngene. Alright. If ngithi mina nginabantu bami abawu2 1 2 bane mass enjani elinganayo noma bane weight enjani elinganayo. Yezwakala? Angini lento leni izoba at what? Equilibrium. Uyabona? Okay. Uma sengikhetha ukuthi ake ngi-add omunye la kuzokwenzakala. Hey, wind up. Kuzokwenza njani njengamanje izobheka kanje. Anisezwani? So ukuze ibuyele back la ikhona komele ngenze njani? Kuzomela ngenze njani? Ngenze njani? Okay, kuzomela ngi-add the same mass ngakuphi kule side. Anisezwani? Bese ibuyela yenza njani? Yenza nje. Anisikezwakala? Here is another way ke leyade ngisho. Yinani? Yinomjikelo wami seyinto efanayo but ngichaza ngendlela engafani. Yinomuntu lapha athi nendawo. Anisezwani? Okay? Kodwa ngimenza ibox ne an object vele ngawa physics siyakwazi ukwenza i-object senze ibhokisi angeni. Alright. So bese kuba nomunye la. Kube nomunye la. Anisezwani? Bese ngikhetha mina ngithi ngithatha muphi manje? Ngithatha lo ngimshiftisa ngiyisa ngapha. Izokwenza njani into yami? Izoya ezantsi angeni. Okay? So ukuze ebuyele back lade khona komele ngenze njani? Ngimshiftise kuphi? Kwa right. Anisezwani? Okay. So njengamanje if we add ubani njengamanje u-A ubani u-S2, the concentration of what? Of S2 will what? Will increase. Angithi ngimi-addile. Okay. Uthi mayise increase angithi i-equilibrium njani lapho? I-disturbed. Anisezwani? Okay, i-system sekumele yenze njani manje? It-shift to the side that will oppose what? The disturbance. Iliphi lelo side ezoshift kulona? Kwa right. Iphoni lesibili ngithe iphoni lokuqala lizothini? Lekathi ngi-add S2, the concentration of S2 what? Increases. The concentration of what? Of S2 increases. Point number 2. Angithi njengamanje isi-increasile i-concentration kabani? Ka-S2. I-equilibrium njani? I-disturbed. Sekumele ngenze njani mina? Ngiyilungise. Ngizoyilungisa kanjani? Ngokuthi ngi-oppose i-disturbance ngokuthi ngi-shift to the side that will oppose what? The disturbance. Iliphi lelo side lelo? Ilaka right. So the system will shift to the what? To the right. Angisezwani? Okay. The system will shift to the what? The system will shift to the right. Point number 3. Angisezwani? Okay, i-system yami isenza njani njengamanje? Isi-shift yakuphi? Kwa right. Angisezwani? Okay, buka kuleto kumele uyazi. Kwa right always yini? It's a forward reaction. Ka left it's a what? It's a reverse reaction. That one is an always case. Angisezwani? Okay, kwa left is none. Reverse reaction. Kwa right is none. It's a forward what? Reaction. Yezwakala? Alright. Ithini indaba njengamanje? Point number 3. Angithi uzwile iphoni lokuqala. Angithi isikhathi ku-add ubani thina? U-S2. Maye u-add into yenza njani concentration yayo? Iyanyuka. Point number 1. The concentration of what? Of H2 increases. Yezwakala? Point number 2. Yayisithini i-system? I-system ngokwalitha tell us ithi ilo system will favor the side that will oppose what? The disturbance. In this case, iliphi lelo side ezofavorisha? elaka right. So point number 2, the system shifts to the what? To the right. Yazwakala. Point number 3, what right is pattern? What right? Siphethe lento sibiza ngani nge-forward reaction. Meaning point number 3, the forward reaction is what? Is favored. And says one, the forward reaction is what? Is favored. Yazwakala. Bese kuthi point lokugcina lithi law of favored. I-concentration yakhe bese yenza njani? Increase. Point lokugcina selithi the concentration of what? Of NH3 what? Increases. Noma ungasakhuluma ngalaba kodwa vele bona ngoba sebe unfavored. Bona yabo izokwenza njani? Izokwehla. Kusho the concentration of the reactants. Bengeke ngithi the concentration of H2 and N2 sekukude. Ayisezwana. So ngcono ngivele ngigoqe ukuthi the concentration of what? Of the reactants decreases. Kuyezwakala? Alright, ukhona usalayo siqale phansi. So far so good. Okay. So asenze kanjani ke njengamanje? Asenze i-example ezophendulwa yini? Ayisezwana. Ngifuna kube yinina ke manje nisho lento le. Mina ke manje uzoyisho. Before senze example ezoshawa yinina, ayisezwana. Ngifuna sivele sigoqe lento lena ngesikhathi C1. Asixoxa lento lena graphical. Ayisezwana. Angithi la besixoxa theoretical. Okay, besisha in points. Uyabona? Njengamanje ke sengifuna sixoxe njani? Graphical.